What?
Excuse me.
Oh, hi there.
Hi. Are you the tree with the empty nests?
I was having a most interesting dream.
Oh, really? Really? Well, yeah. About the nests. I need a big one, and I'm in a hurry.
Oh, yeah, sure. A big nest.
Yeah.
Let me think a minute.
Could you think a little faster, please?
Oh, yes, of course.
Good, thank you.
It's just that after my afternoon nap, it always takes me just a little longer.
I need a big nest!
I've got a lovely big studio nest to my right.
You call that big? I need a bigger one. Much bigger.
Bigger one. Well, that's what's wrong with this world. Everything has to be bigger. Bigger does not make it better, you know.
The nest!
Oh, yes, the nest. I think I have a bigger one. Let me see.
Oh, good, hurry, please.
You know something?
Yeah, what?
I used to be in a hurry, but
really?
I never got anywhere. 'Cause I'm a tree. I'm a tree.
Please tell me where it is!
Oh, where what is?
The bigger nest!
Oh, yes, of course. I forgot. To my left, I have a bigger nest with southern exposure.
Yeah.
You can't beat southern exposure. I grew so much faster over there, I was getting ahead of myself.
No good. Not big enough.
Not big enough, huh? Well, then you must need the biggest nest I have.
Yes. Hurry.
The biggest one would be the penthouse nest right at the top. It has total exposure.
It's perfect. I'll take it.
When do you want to move in?
No. Oh, what a relief.
Terrific. And if you don't mind my asking, you're such a little bird. Why do you need the biggest nest?
Any more questions?
Oh,